What's up, guys? We're going to be doing a gaming test for the Xiaomi 9T or K20. So we're going to start off with Fortnite. So the cool thing about this phone is I think this is one of the best gaming phones because of the full screen display. It makes everything extremely immersive. And once you get this phone, it's just a beautiful experience to be able to play with a full screen display. It makes a huge difference. So I don't actually play this game a lot at all, so I'm not really sure. But so far, my gaming experience with this phone has been pretty great. I don't notice it getting really hot. And I'm really bad at this game. I don't even know, is that my teammate? Oh, I'm not even playing the game. Like I said, I don't play this game, but as you can see, very, very smooth. Not having any issues with this game so far. So we got Asphalt 9 on here, which is a game that looks really beautiful on this device as well. Alright, next is PUBG. This is another game that plays really well on here. So I'm not noticing any lag really, and the game's not really heating up on here. This thing is hard to drive. Oh, not up. Oh my God. And the server keeps timing out, so I'm gonna call it a day. It works fine, plays really great. The screen is really beautiful, and yeah, we're gonna just kill it right here. So thanks for watching. I will catch you guys in the next one.